What are we doing here, Lockie?
Fuck me, it's tight.
What are we doing here, Lockie?
We're making his Subi go wop wop wop.
Are you getting anywhere?
No.
Tight, mate.
Yeah, it's just tight. It's tight. So how much are you paying me for this, Tyler? I'm making a business out of this, man.
45 cents.
I'm making a business out of this.
Love the Commodores, mate.
Love a Commodore. Ooh.
I'm from a Commodore. Just make sure you don't like it.
When I say sauce, you say Don. Sauce, Don.
Wait, how's the progress, Lockie?
It's corrupted.
It just takes a while to screw these motherfuckers out, that's all.
Go. Give it a rev, mate.
Wait, how much was that? How much?
That was in 3K.
3K?
Yeah.
Oh, you have like till 6, mate.
You have till 6.
Yeah, till 6. Let's see. Let's see if mine's still leaking. It should be. Oh, with the no muff? Oh, no, it's not leaking anymore. It should be sweet. Oh, no, come up. What a savage dog.
Nearly there. We're there.
Go.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Calm down.
It's actually like, that's a really crisp spin. Yeah, like, mine's fun.
Yours is twice as loud. Twice as...
Does this one sound good?
Yeah, this one sounds good.
Like when you were first getting your palms down, I could have sworn I heard crackles.
Did you?
I could have sworn.
Oh. This car warmed up yet?
Stop. No, someone's coming out.
Look at Ricer. Oh, hey, Ricers. How's the jump life, Lockie?
Yeah, it's good when you actually have a non-tinning sound car, Philip. Fuck Hondas.
What the hell? What the hell?
Nearly there. We're there.